Hey folks, I'm Tony.
And I'm Tina, and we're TNT RVing. What are we up to today, Tony?
Tina, we are up to installing GasStop. And GasStop, you may or may not know about it. One of the things I really like about this is it will 100% shut off your propane at the tank in the event you have a catastrophic line failure.
Okay.
But the reason why we bought it, Teen, is because another neat feature of it, it will detect if you have even a minor propane leak in your RV system. So what we're going to do is install this. I want to simulate a minor leak and show you how you can detect and use it. And also, what else
we're going to install these pigtails on our propane tanks. So stay tuned.
All right, first off, I want to show you how easy it is to install GasStop. As you can see, we already have our pigtails on. We're going to go ahead and unscrew this fitting, install GasStop, and also it's best to have GasStop vertical. You can also put it at an angle if you need, if you want to get a better view or what have you. You wouldn't want to install it upside down like that. You really want to have it installed so you can see the little indicator here. What you do is you put the pigtail on just like that. Now, easy peasy. What's nice about that is your tank cover is going to fit on here easier. So let's go ahead and move this over to the old pigtail. And Tina, take a look here. I want to show them what I did. With this line, I went ahead and poked a tiny little hole in it with a needle. I put some siliconized tape around there with the little clamp, and that's going to simulate a minor propane leak. And I want to show you how neat GasStop is and how you can test your propane system every time you use it. So let's switch this over. All right, so now we have GasStop installed on the other side on our original line. I'm going to show you how easy GasStop is to use. So you turn your propane on, and if we look at the gauge here, you want to press this down a couple 6, 7 times, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and as you can see there, it is in the green, good to go. And say you had a catastrophic leak, road debris or something, an accident, and you had your propane system on. I'm going to simulate that by unscrewing this here, and watch that gauge. And when you unscrew this and we get a leak, it will immediately shut it 100% off, which is really neat. Nice feature. But what I really like about this, our system's still on, our propane's still on. We're gonna go ahead and recharge this, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we're still in the green, right? No problems. We don't feel we have a propane leak or anything. I don't really smell anything, do you?
Nope.
Nope. But watch this gauge. Once I shut this valve on our tank off, we're going to keep an eye on that needle. And up to, let's say, 5, 6 minutes is what you're going to want to do. Maybe go set something up and come back and keep an eye on that. But as you can see, because we created a leak, that needle is moving down and slowly going down, which means we have a propane leak. And that is why we purchased GasStop. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this old line. Alrighty, so we're going to change the pigtail on the other side. And the other thing I wanted to point out is their 90-degree fitting. And that is what helps allow GasStop to fit in. Oop, there's our packaging. Any rate, and then of course I wanted to show you the reverse flared fitting, and that's what that looks like. All right, once again, the barb that GasStop uses, they take that extra time in machining and they take those sharp edges off of that, and they really focus on providing you a good product. I'm going to set this right here for now, and this is a 7/16 wrench, and I'm taking a 5/8 wrench. I'm going to hold the other piece there, and we're going to loosen that up. Oops. All right, so that should be loose enough. Now we're just going to simply twist the old one off. Line's on. So we'll get rid of the old, install our new right like so. And this is a little tricky. You got to make sure we get it all nice and square. And we'll screw that on like so. Look how easy that is. There we go. Get our 7/16 wrench there, our 5/8 wrench here to hold it. And we're just gonna lightly snug that up and we should be in good shape now.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
So, and then we could install that. And if you want, what we could do real quick is test that out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna shut our gas off. Keep an eye on that. And as expected, we currently do not have a leak.
Yay!
So, at any rate, first off, I want to thank Mike and Martin. They did provide us these pigtails. I did buy this GasStop over at Techno RV. I think we paid around, what, 60 bucks or so for it?
I think so.
And like I said earlier, we're going to have a link in our Amazon store to buy the GasStop. Maybe I'll try to find these lines and stuff. I'll also put a link in GasStop's website in our description as well. Go to their website. They have all sorts of stuff there, their gas gear. They have a lot of help, questions, answers, all that sort of stuff. So at any rate, I hope you found this video helpful, useful, entertaining possibly. And if you did, I appreciate it if you'd subscribe to TNT RVing.
Yep, and we'll see you at the campground.
TNT.